Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about weird and amusing medical facts. It has been said that truth is stranger than fiction. Nowhere is this more obvious than in the field of medicine, where various physiologic functions, structures, and even diseases can be unbelievably bizarre. Did you know that the children of identical twins are genetically siblings rather than cousins? This is because they share 25% of their DNA. Full siblings share 50% of their DNA, while half-siblings share 25%, and cousins share 12.5%. Hence, they are the genetic equivalent of half-siblings. Baby bone. Babies are born with about 300 bones. But by the time they reach adulthood, these bones will have fused together to form 206 bones. Babies are born with more cartilage than bone. With time, the cartilage is replaced by bone matrices, and the calcium salts babies get from their diets are laid to form hardened bone through a process known as endochondral ossification, or the conversion of cartilage into bone. Also, did you know that 1/4 of all of the bones in your body are in your feet, which are made up of 26 bones and 33 joints each for a grand total of 52 bones in each foot? It's strange that such a relatively small part of your body houses so many bones. Have a good cry. Having a good cry really is good for you. The tears you shed when you cry contain stress hormones, and crying itself may actually stimulate the production of endorphins, the body's natural painkiller, as well as feel-good hormones such as oxytocin. Regeneration powers. The human body has incredible regenerative powers. For example, your entire brain replaces itself every 2 months, your liver, every 6 weeks, and your epidermis, every 35 days. Even your stomach lining replaces itself every 3 to 4 days. If your body didn't do this, the strong acids used by your stomach to digest food would also digest your stomach. And speaking of your stomach, did you know that your stomach acids are so strong that they can dissolve razor blades? The nose. The human nose can remember 50,000 different scents, and experts say that the memories evoked by our sense of smell are some of the oldest and most potent we have. Think of how you feel when you smell a flower that used to grow in your grandmother's garden, or the shaving cream your father used when you were a child. Researchers have found that brain waves connect smells through memories via an associative process that links neural networks through synchronized brain waves of 20 to 40 Hz. The result? Smell is the strongest memory retainer. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.